What's up, my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl, CC. I'm just me. Coming at you with another banger. Yo. Today, I have jerk chicken, rice and beans, and cabbage. Look at that. Y'all, before we get into it, happy 2023. Yes, y'all, new year, new year. Y'all, look at that. Try to button my shirt. Let's do that like that. Y'all won't see all that, and I won't get my shirt dirty neither. Yo, how y'all coming this year? How y'all coming this year? How y'all coming? How y'all coming this year, y'all? Y'all. Oh my God. What's some of y'all goals y'all doing this year? Y'all, this year, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm not doing no goals this year. I don't got no New Year's resolution. I didn't have no New Year's resolution. None of that. I just started. I just did it. I just started, y'all. Let me get some of this rice over here. I just did it. I wasn't gonna keep him. New Year's resolution, new way. New Year's resolution, do this. I said, see, this year, we're just gonna do it. So, y'all, I'm just excited for this year. I'm super excited. What's that? I'm super excited for this year. I don't know what it got coming, but I already know it's gonna be. I already know it's gonna be good. I already know it's gonna be good this year. Little pieces of the bone. I'm talking it to existence, baby. I don't know. I'm just talking it to existence. Last year, it was okay. Last year, it was pretty rough. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Last year, it was pretty rough. I can't lie. With inflation, the thing on milk, baby milk, people running out of baby formula, the stock market going down, people losing their home. Oh my God. So, last year was pretty rough, but all of that was in the past. All of that, y'all, it was last year. So if y'all made it through this year, stay prayed up. Stay prayed up. Little bone. That's all I can really tell y'all. This is just stay prayed up and just do it with no fear. Do it with no fear. Do it. If you fail, you fail. But don't be planning to fail. But do it like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this, and I'm put my all in it. And I may not have all the time for it, and I may ain't got all this for it, but I'm just going to do it when I can. Plant that seed, y'all. Plant that seed, and it will grow. I'm telling you. Now, it might take some time to grow. I ain't going to lie, y'all. That seed might take years to grow. But when it grow, baby, can't nobody tell you nothing when that seed grow. I'm telling you. Can't nobody tell me nothing. So, y'all. This is so good, y'all. I was feeding this. I'm feeding this food. My fat over there. How about meow? Y'all hear him? Who that get his meow? So, I'm gonna. You're supposed to be doing smaller proportions, so I'm not gonna be eating all of this. I'm not gonna be eating all of this. But this grilled chicken is so good. And this cabbage. That's got the best cabbage. Oh my God. Now, I can make some cabbage. But my cabbage be like a whole meal. It's so hot. Just like I like it. Burning my mouth. Whoa. Now that was good. Let me eat this layer. Put some chicken on. Okay, put some chicken. Some more cabbage. I hate when there's bone in my food. And I'm trying to get to the nitty gritty. That stuff irks my gear. Let me just bite it. That was yuck. I was nothing. Well, I wasn't gonna do with y'all that long. Y'all, do I eat fast? I might eat too fast, y'all. I might need to slow my eating down. I probably do, y'all. I be chewing my food. Probably not like you supposed to. You like chew your food like 40 times. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Let me pick up one more piece. I'm good. I think I got half left. I think I ate half. And I got half left. I'm gonna take it to work. Have my work smell all good. It's spicy, y'all. I don't even know. Not some. Nope. I know it's near me not to bring no napkins. Ain't nothing changed but the new year. Y'all. That food was good. I just got off of work not too long ago, so I'm about to, I got a meeting at the kids' school, and if I go to the meeting at the kids' school, excuse me, I'm gonna come back home and leave myself down. Y'all, I just want to say Happy New Year's. This might come out way after New Year's, probably January the 10th, 11th, 12th, something like that, long. But Happy New Year's, y'all. Y'all already know your girl. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Tell me what y'all New Year's resolution. If y'all got a New Year's resolution, tell me what y'all working on. Y'all know, chit chat in the comments. Y'all know, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Yeah, and make sure you binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Hey, binge watch your girl. Boop, 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 binge watch your girl's channel. Y'all thought I forgot. I haven't did a mukbang in a minute. But y'all thought I forgot? No, I haven't. Y'all, it's your girl. I'm out.